dislike it. It is a repulsive behavior. People with low self-value try to dominate others, feel small, insignificant, unimportant, too nice to the girls. They respond with greater enthusiasm. 6 things that make people not like you. Nobody is going to come out and tell you they don't like you. Neither would you go to someone and tell them you don't like them. That's how the world functions. We all behave in a manner so that others like us. But that is exactly the behavior which makes them not like us. First thing that makes them not like us is being too nice to them. Oops! When you are too polite, when you are a yes man, you think they would perceive you as a good person, a person they would like. No, not at all. You got this one all wrong, buddy. The only thing you're infusing in their brain is doubt. Why is this person being so nice to me? What is it that he wants? If the other person is not consciously thinking about that, that is what is running on their subconscious mind. It is for the same reason that when you're too nice to the girls, you land up being in a friend zone. They don't look at you the way you want them to, and of course to others, you just appear to be a joke. Have you not been in that position for a long time? And the other extreme is when you don't give a F-C-U-K to anything. You act like you don't care. Nobody wants to be around a person who behaves in that manner. It is a repulsive behavior, attitude in the wrong sense. You are an unapproachable person, a person which makes others uncomfortable. Don't care attitude does not go well with the girls too. I'm not talking about the chill guy, the cool guy who takes it easy, carefree, careless attitude. Man, that comes from the confidence within. That's a topic of discussion for some other day. Today, I'm talking about the insensitivity here, where your words or your actions are inconsiderate. I will tell you how they feel. They do not like you. Now that I've told you about 2 extreme behaviors, what is it that works? Help people because you want to. Do not help them in anticipation of their likeness. At the same time, do not help them at your expense. Stand up for yourself and so you know when it comes to that. People respect a person who comes out transparent and is approachable at the same time. Talk facts. Do not be submissive. Do not be aggressive either. Be assertive. And in all assertiveness, would I urge you to please like this video? You agree to what I just shared, right? At Awesome and Amazing Style, it is my job to teach you guys everything you need to know about being awesome and being amazing. If you're here, then please subscribe to our channel because we bring you top class content on men's fashion, men's style, men's grooming, men's hair, men's fitness, dating, relationships, success, confidence, and so much more. Do not forget to activate that notification bell, because that's how we would make a place on your feed each time we come up with a new video. Now, moving on. There could be people who may dislike you because they are jealous of your accomplishments. You cannot do much about it, right? This is not about them, this is about you. We were discussing characteristics which make people dislike you. The next thing on the list that make people dislike you is when you flex. Flex as in when you elaborately, publicly talk about your accomplishments, about your wealth, about your health, in a manner to put down others, and you keep yourself above them. Please dislike it. Let me tell you this, when you're flexing, the only thing you're doing is highlighting how insecure you are. A confident person would never ever flex. He will let the results talk for his accomplishments. He will let the scars, his house, his materialistic possessions talk about his wealth. If he has a good physique, his body will show that. That is strength. That is the level we need to achieve when people feel secure and proud at the same time being around you. The next thing people dislike about you, which is just an extension of another type of flexing, when you cut off people when they're talking. This gives an impression that they are not important. What you want to talk about is more important. Your intent may or may not be to make them feel that way. But when you leave that to me, I dissect that behavior, I would say it is just a way you want to dominate. People with low self-value try to dominate others. Instead, I wanted to give an opportunity to others to talk first. Build a healthy conversation. Do not cut people off, no matter how irrelevant they are. Instead, bear patience and bring them on track with challenging questions. What is it that you want to highlight? What would you achieve with it? Or use phrases like, let's take a step back, or let's understand this from the beginning. Another thing that makes people not like you is when you do not look them in their eyes while talking. The biggest distraction in today's life is headphones, handphones. Most of the people use it while physical, verbal communications. Please don't be that person. It makes others feel small, insignificant, unimportant. You do not have any right to do that to another human being. We all equal. Another set of jokers are those who look at their phones while in meeting. This behavior, this kind of habit makes other people not like you. And the last one is forgetting people's name. It is as bad as all the others in the list we discussed today. It creates the same effect. The best way to avoid this is when you meet someone new for the first time, always repeat their name while addressing to them in the conversation. This highlights your attentiveness. People love hearing their own name. They respond with greater enthusiasm. And I hope this video was worth the time. That's all I have for you today. We will be back with another video very shortly. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.